If you don't get involved with this done for you service right now, you're gonna be real mad when the price go up. Trust me. Trust me. The value that I'm getting out of this program is second to none. And I've been through a lot, all right? I've been running my own business for 6 years. And, you know, I've been through it all. I've been through the ringer. And recently I got into a really dark place. You know, I was working 14, 16-hour days. I wasn't seeing my family. I was leaving the house 7 a.m., 6 a.m. in the morning, not getting back till 10 p.m. at night. Hiring, firing, it was just too much. It was taking control of my mind and that was affecting me. And I said, you know, I needed to work on my mind. I needed to work on my spirit because I had gotten real negative. So, you know, at this time I had already been following Wesley, but I said, you know what, let me take this seriously and I really invest in my mind. So I got involved with the Overnight Millionaire course. I bought a bunch of the services and the packages that he had, and I went through all of them like back to back to back. I'm still going through them now. This is months later, and I'm telling you, the value that this man brings to the table is second to none. All right? And if you don't get involved with this service right now, you're gonna be big mad when it's not available anymore or the price changes, because the value that I'm getting, I'm telling you, Wes, you underpriced it, brother. You underpriced it. But I'm glad you did. I'm glad you did, because a lot of people need to hear what you're saying, and a lot of people need need that help, you know. So I personally got a lot from it. And I'll tell you one other thing. I have been looking for a way to get into the online marketing business for years now, right? And for the past 6 months, I've been researching course after course after course on YouTube. I went through everything, FBA, you know, all the affiliate stuff, all the marketing agencies. I forgot, there's so many ways to make money online, but trust me when I say, after doing my extensive research and finding out what Wesley's Done For You service has to offer, this is by far the best money you're gonna spend if you want to learn how to make money online. All right, trust me. Now, I just got started about 2 weeks ago. I'm in my second week already, and my account is already up to $300 a day. $300 a day. You do the math, what's that? 9 grand a month? In week 2? From 0 to 9 in 2 weeks? Come on now. Now, every day ain't always gonna be the peachy keen, but you keep working on it and you keep working on your mind, and you're gonna find a way. I'm telling you, the stuff that I'm learning in this course, and then you wanna take it one step further and you go through and you make the investment in yourself. You make the investment in yourself to get the Facebook Mastermind Academy, and then it's like they open up a doorway where you thought there was a wall. You've been banging your head against the wall all along, and all you had to do was give it that secret knock, that tap, 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 and the wall opens up, and you're let into this world where you just have all the stuff that you never thought was possible. You're seeing it possible. There's guys that's been in this course that's already making 5 grand a day, and they got in a month before me. Not saying that these results are typical, of course. You know, I'm no stranger to hard work, so I'm gonna get there. And with these mind hacks, you best believe your boy will get there. Anyway, peace out. You better jump on the train before you get left, all right? Peace.
Just want to give a shout out to Wesley and his team over at Done For You Services. I signed up 3 days ago, and I was able to get my first conversion ad up yesterday with absolutely no experience, and I was able to make my first sale within 24 hours. Thank you guys so much. They do a great job getting you on track for success, and I can't be any more grateful. Thank you guys so much. Let's go.
Hey guys, this is Gio. So I just joined the Done For You service with Wesley Virgin, and Ariola actually explains that to you when you join the courses, okay? And as you're joining, if you listen to Wesley, he even says, okay, ain't no other program out there like he has his, okay? He does step by step. I've already done 21-step mode program. I already done Tai Lopez. I already done a bunch of different entrepreneurs, and There's nothing like it like this one, okay? I promise you, man, you will not be dissatisfied. Look, I already made my first sale. Check it. I mean, what more evidence do you want? You know, like, honestly, like, I know it's hard to trust anybody nowadays because you don't even know if they're even telling the truth. You know, you don't know if they're just scamming you or anything like that. You know, you Google it, you ask other people, but when you do that, you're questioning yourself. Never do that. Don't believe anybody. He is right. If you really want it, you go out there and get it. You're gonna go out there, be prepared to spend some cash. Because I'll tell you what, I've already been through that path. And I already spent some cash. But ain't nothing compared to Wesley. What he spends, he speaks from experience. Okay? So, drink something green, make you feel better, trust him, and trust Ariola, and trust the process. Be motivated, be dedicated. And let's go. Let's get that money. Woo!
Hey, my name is Rashid Valadares, and I just wanted to give a quick thank you to Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin and Ariel for the Done For You service. And it's literally what it says it is. It's done for you. There's a step-by-step process and video tutorials on the Facebook page, which you can follow. You don't necessarily have to be computer savvy or know about Facebook ads. Again, it's all shown to you on the Facebook page. So far, the experience has been amazing. I got my first sale yesterday by following the steps which they show on the Facebook page. And just keep in mind that the information you're sending out to people and the information you're sharing is truly life-changing. Always keep a positive mindset, change your outlook on life, and you're going to change your reality. Thanks again.
Hi, just a quick shout out to Wesley Virgin and the rest of the team. I just wanted to say thank you so much. I've been running my ads for about 24 hours now and already got my first sale, so it's just so exciting. So thank you so much. And for those of you who are not using the Done For You service, honestly, you should just go and get it. It's just, you get so much support, so much help. The team is so professional and you get everything you need really to succeed, so it's a no-brainer. Just go and get it.
Hi guys, as you can see, I'm sitting here in my very comfortable queen-size bed from the comfort of my own home. I am stress-free, I am debt-free, I am happy, and I'm content. And this is all because of one incredible, amazing, phenomenal being, Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin. This man has changed my life in ways that I cannot even explain. I was struggling applying for government assistance just a year ago today, and I can't make this up. I was in the office applying for food stamps because I had no other option. I was a single mom. I had no family support. I had no child support coming in. It was just me and my child, and I did not know how to make ends meet. I was getting let off from different jobs. Employers firing me because I had to leave early to go pick up my son from daycare. I'm talking about real bad. And I did not know where to turn. I didn't know who to speak to. And by the grace of God, I crossed paths with Wesley, and he gave me all the confidence I needed to get up and stop feeling sorry about my situation. Instead, to get up and do something about it. And that's exactly what I did. I got up and I did something about it. I started working with him, and before you know it, I went from making $1,500 a month being a struggling bartender and waitress to making $12K a month in under a year. I cannot make this up. I now have more time for my son. I'm able to pick him up from soccer practice and drop him off to football. It's so amazing, and I wouldn't have been able to do it if it wasn't for Wesley. Wesley, again, I thank you so much for all your help, for all the motivational speeches and videos and morning inspiration. You are so good at what you do, and anybody who wants to truly succeed should listen to this man and follow his footsteps. Bye.
Hi, this is a big thank you to Wesley Billionaire Virgin and Ariella and their team for all the support and help I had from the Done For You service. I got my first sale yesterday. I'm really happy about that, and I'm looking forward to going on and becoming a millionaire.
Hey, I just wanted to shoot a quick video for Wesley, $1 billion virgin, and his entire team. The Done For You service is great. I got my ad activated last night, and you know, after following Sean's great videos, and I woke up today on my birthday, by the way, and check this out. I know this is gonna be upside down, but you can see it right there. That is my first sale, one of many. So to the Facebook team, Wesley, thanks for putting this information out. The mindset stuff works, and let's get it. Later.
Hi, this is Tony from Boston, Massachusetts. I just wanted to give a shout out to Wesley, Ariella, and the Done For You service team. This product has truly put all the pieces of the puzzle together for me. It's given me the organization and the motivation that I've needed to follow my dreams. Thank you, Wesley. Appreciate the quality of the Millionaire Meditation product and the job that your team did helping me. I followed all the instructions, got clarification when needed, and now I'm making sales. So my advice to anyone and everyone, first and foremost, is to be a product of the product. So let's go!
Hey guys, my name's Brittany. So the reason I'm making this video is because Ariella and Wesley and the team asked me to kind of update you guys on my progress. I'm a new student of the Done For You Services program. I bought that service, and the process has been really simple, and all it's taken is to get with people in the group who've been really helpful, and of course the administrators have been super helpful as well. I was able to run a video views campaign. I got started a little late, so mine may have taken longer, but then once I got started on my conversion campaign, when I went to bed that night, I woke up in the morning and I had my first sale. So I really love and believe in this program for internet marketing. Wesley's program is going to apply to all the different ways to make money online, no matter what it is that you want to do. I wanted to make this video saying thank you so much because, yeah, it's my first online sale, and I haven't had experience with internet marketing since I was a lot younger, and the Done For You services just made it really easy, and the team's been really helpful. So thank you so much, guys. I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to hearing how everyone is doing during their program too.
Hey everybody, it's Cassie Resta, and I just wanted to thank Wesley Virgin and his team for the Done For You services. Honestly guys, like, you cannot lose with this at all. Like, they go step by step with all how to set up your Facebook ads, everything. And seriously, there's like nothing to lose. Me personally, I had to keep going through it a couple times because I kept missing a couple things, but it's all a learning process. But I got my first sale today, and I'm pretty pumped. So I just wanted to reach out and say thank you very much to Wesley and his team. And if you have not gotten the Done For You services yet, you really got to get it. Like, especially if you have no idea how to do Facebook ads or anything, it's the perfect start program. It really is. Like I said, they walk you step by step. It's great. Again, thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Hey, how you guys doing? My name is Tim, and I just got done making my first couple sales on Done For You services. Done For You services is basically a blueprint A through Z on how you can market on Facebook and promote the millionaire mind hacks. My experiences with the Done For You services was just amazing. Ariella is a really big help. I would constantly text her and ask her questions, and as long as you follow the blueprint step by step, you should be just fine. And I'm truly thankful for Wesley. I'm truly thankful for Ariella. I'm really thankful for the whole team of people that's really making this group function, and I can never be more thankful. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you.
Hey guys, I highly recommend the Done For You services. What they got going on here is amazing. It's just amazing, the system that they got in place here, my friends. So I started out, they made an ad for me. 5 days later, I got my sale. At the same time, I was on the group, and they got these videos. They got it all set up for you. All you gotta do is go through the videos, copy what they do step by step, and you're gonna get your sale, right? You're gonna get your sale. And so now you learn how to do it. Now you can do it for yourself, and keep working it, keep grinding, keep meditating, keep the mindset, right? And the support team that you got here is amazing. Shout out to Wesley $1 billion Virgin, Ariola, and all the support team, man. They will respond to you, as fast as they can. It's pretty fast though. And just amazing how they do the stuff here, man. The environment that they got in the group chat is amazing as well. Everybody motivated, everybody going at it, everybody helping you, right? So you're not left alone here. You're not by yourself. Everybody out to help you, right? And I just want to give a shout out to Wesley, man. Without him, we would not have this opportunity, to become wealthy, right? I learned so much. He provided so much value. I got another services he got, and it just changed my mindset. Like, I was just like, it's crazy. I'm more motivated. I'm more positive. Train my brain. Like, it's crazy how much I'm learning. Like, how much of a better person I'm becoming. Right? So it's amazing what he's doing here. He's making a great impact, bro. We appreciate you for everything. And it's just I'm so grateful for coming across this stuff, man. It's amazing. So guys, the most important thing is be motivated, coachable. You gotta be coachable. So these people are wealthy. You are not, right? So to get what they got, you gotta do what they do, right? And if you do that, you will get what they get, right? Simple, right? And just thank you for everything, guys. I'm really grateful. And I highly recommend this, guys. Come on, y'all got it. All right, let's get it.
Hey, Josh Hall here, and I just want to send a huge shout out to my boy Wesley $1 billion Virgin, because his content and products have helped me change my life in numerous ways, and not just my life, but my bank account. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see this here, but take a look at that. That's $185,693.11 in sales from one product. And it's because of my mindset, and I couldn't have done that without the content and knowledge that Wesley $1 billion Virgin has shared with me. So I urge you to take advantage of his products, get in and learn from this man, because he knows what he's talking about. And it really is in the mindset, and it's in the implementation of the things that get you the correct mindset as well. So once again, he's really helped me change my life and my bank account in a serious way. And I can't thank him enough. And you need to take advantage of whatever he has to offer. Let him help you. Take it easy.
Motivated, dedicated, I got that service, y'all. What service, girl, do you have? I got that service. What service? You say, Done For You service. Done For You service. Wesley $1 billion Virgin and Done For You service team is it. That's where you need to be. You on that cell phone, you got that iPad, what's going on? Put the cigarette down, leave the phone ringing, get in it right now. Done For You service, get motivated, dedicated, let's go. Wesley $1 billion Virgin. If you ain't in Done For You service, then I don't know where you at. I can't do it, but Done For You service can do it. You hear me? Done For You service, get it now.
What's going on, everybody, man? It's Darren here from Done For You service, man. I just want to tap in and give y'all a slight story on my journey with the Done For You services, man, and the path to my first sale, man. I discovered Done For You services, man, and it definitely changed my life, man. Fast, man. I'm not encouraging y'all to seek it fast, but it changed for me pretty quick. Just my mindset in general, man. The things Wesley says to you, man, just motivates you, man. And if he's not the best motivator, he's definitely one of the best motivators out there, man. Shout out to Wesley $1 billion Virgin, man. I definitely appreciate everything you done for me, man. Helping me motivate myself, man. And shout out to Ariella and the whole squad of Done For You services, man. Everything they tell you, man, is a fact, man. They will definitely get you to your first sale, motivate you through it, give you all the knowledge you need to get to your first sale. You can tap into the group, and the group, everybody in the group is educational and knowledgeable. They will help you out, give you any answers you need, no hesitation, no problem at all. Everybody wants to see each other succeed, and I appreciate you, Wesley $1 Billion Virgin, Ariella, for giving us a chance to succeed on this platform, man. And I'm just blessed, man. I can't tell you how exciting it was, and still is exciting to just be a part of the group. Watch the sales come in daily. When you first get your first sales, it's amazing, man. It's just to honestly see it pay off. Hear somebody tell you they're gonna help you, and they do. So it's just a blessing to be a part of the squad, man. If you're looking to get into it, man, don't hesitate, brothers and sisters. Don't hesitate, man. It definitely will change your life. All you gotta do is visualize, meditate, think positive, man. See what you want. Step in the mud to go get it, man, and watch it come, man. Control your destiny, man. And Wesley $1 Billion Virgin would definitely help you change your mindset, man. The Done For You services is great. It's a fact what they telling you. Everybody in the group, once again, is just amazing, man, to be part of the group, man. I appreciate you once again, Wesley $1 Billion Virgin, Aria, and the whole squad, man. I appreciate y'all, man. May God bless. Peace.
Hi guys, Shelly here with the Path 123. I just want to tell you how excited I am right now. I just got my very first sale with the Done For You services, and it's been probably about a week or so since I first did my very first ad, and I'm telling you, if you just follow the steps, watch the videos, just like you study for a test, you're studying for your future. I mean, if it's really worth something to you, you will put in the time to get it started and to get some things happening for you. I know for me, I said this year I'm not getting out of 2019 without having an opportunity or a vision or a plan or something so that I can change my life. I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired. I refuse mediocrity, and I am going forward straight to the stars and the moon. So hopefully you'll join with me, and let's take this ride together. I'm so super excited. I feel like it was $1 million that I won. Eventually, I will have $1 million plus. How about that? Anyway, wish you guys all the best, and thank you so much, Wesley, Ariella, Parmeet, all of the Done For You Services team members. I so appreciate Frank. I so appreciate all of you guys. Thank y'all, and good luck to everybody. Let's get rich together.
Hi, I'm Shane, and like many of you, I'm a new affiliate marketer. And if you're like me, a lot of this affiliate marketing thing is just going way over your head. I mean, they talking about like websites, domains, Facebook ads, pixels, AWeber. What in the world? You know, so it's kind of overwhelming for me trying to learn all this stuff. But thankfully, Wesley Virgin has offered his Done For You services where they take care of all of this stuff for you. So I contacted them. All I had to do was give them my domain name. I bought my domain name. I gave it to them. They set up my webpage. They set up my Facebook ads and my pixels. They set up my AWeber, and they did all of this in a matter of days. So now, not only do I have a working website, I've got my Facebook ads running, and I'm ready to make money. I can sit back in my PJs and relax, knowing that Wesley's Done For You services got it. Wesley's Done For You services did it for me. They'll do it for you. I suggest you check them out.
Hi guys, my name is Anae. This is my brand new Lexus RS350 that I just got, and I'm giving my testimony to Wesley Virgin. I am so happy and grateful because he had changed my life. On my birthday this year, he appeared on my Facebook, and I decided to get his program, and my life has been amazing since then. I mean, before Wesley, I was depressed, I was broke, I was sad, I was fat. Then I prayed God and I say I want better for my son. I have a baby, and he put it in my life. So he changed my life. I'm making thousands of dollars a month on online marketing. I got 3 job offers, making 2 times if not 3 times what I made now. And I lost weight. I'm happier. I meditate every day. You know, before Wesley, I wasted thousands of dollars on online people that promised to help you, to programs, and they were all trash. They were all not lies. They were just trying to get your money. Wesley really wants you to win. He means well. He's a good guy, and he'll help you. He'll support you through that. You have to believe, and you have to take action. Please change your life. Believe Wesley is the real deal. He will change your life. Thank you.
Hi everyone. First I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Ken Pascalidis from Long Island, New York. The reason I made this video was I had my first sale the other day, and what an adrenaline rush it is to make money online. Done For You Services and Wesley have impacted my life forever. I cannot thank them enough. I am happier, focused, and more motivated than ever to accomplish anything in life. I am truly blessed. I have never belonged to a group of such great people. The support and motivation from the other members is fantastic, beyond words, that I consider them my family now. I'd like to personally thank Ariella and Parmeet for all their help and patience. And last but not least, Wesley is a superstar, but not because of his wealth, but he has found his true purpose in life, his passion, to lift others up around him. If Wesley is your mentor, you cannot lose if you are truly determined and dedicated to succeed. So, let's go!
Hi guys, I'd like to welcome you to DFYS Services, the Done For You Services. I have joined this group a few weeks back, and I'm raring to go. It's been an amazing ride. There is so much to learn. There is an amazing network of people. Ariella, Paras, Parmeet, Ryan, Sean. This is an amazing team of people who are dedicated. And yeah, the whole process of manifestation, meditation, visualizing your reality today, living in it, and being part of this extended family has really worked out for me, and it truly feels great to be part of this group. So welcome, and hope to see you soon on this wonderful group. Bye for now.
Morning. Hey, so I'm making this video to give a quick shout out to the Done For You service crew. West the Virgin and his whole group over there. Ariella, Parmeet, Sean, aka Mr. X, you know, just for all the help these guys, you know, all the help these guys, you know, has been giving us. This group is, you know, is fantastic, man. This is the best investment I ever made. There was a lot of stuff I used to try, you know, but it never worked, you know. And I came across this Done For You service thing, you know, where they help you with the ads, you know, and the headlines and everything, really. You know, of course you got to put in a little bit of work, you know, just to set everything up, but everything is there for you. These guys help you out. You know, any questions you have, you can ask these guys, and they really help you out. So, you know, I'm just so blessed, you know, and grateful, you know, to come across this service. You know, I learn every day, you know, to really make it somewhere, you know, to really make it online. You just got to change your mindset first, you know, and all that meditation and all that stuff I learned, you know. So I just want to give a huge thank you to you guys, you know. If anyone is thinking about joining, you know, don't hesitate. You know, trust me, it's a great service, and they have a great support group on Facebook. Everybody trying to make money, you know. So, so I just want to thank you guys again. You know, let's go,
guys. So I ended up making 3 sales in one day after setting up the campaign the day before, and on the next day when I checked, the day before, I ended up making about $76, meaning that was 3 sales for me, which is actually very profitable because, like I mentioned, this is something I'll be able to scale. because of what I am investing in my marketing campaign. Now, I've learned all this from Done For You Services. I ended up going back this weekend to go look through the steps and go and relearn it and practice and just go along with what they're teaching. And I was able to take this and just kind of like go and just apply this into my business, apply this into my campaigns, and it's something pretty awesome because I'm not even doing anything other than just managing the campaigns at this point, which is awesome because it's giving me a lot of freedom, which is what I wanted ever since I got in here in the Done For You service. That's why I took action on learning it right away, because for me, a person, I'm a busy man. I have a lot of things going on for me throughout the day, but I was able to implement and take action right away because I knew the conditioning phase. I know that there's a part where you have to learn it. You have to go through the training wheels, and then eventually you're going to be writing on your own and be able to take off. I do know that there is that phase, so I took action on it right away. And if you haven't taken action on it right away, I recommend that you do, because it's something that you're going to be able to learn for yourself. You're going to be able to learn how to scale your campaigns, which is very important, because when I first started in ClickBank a few years ago, I was just wasting money. I was just spending money. I was just trying to do different things. But if this program was back then, I would have been able to, I would have been at hundreds of thousands of a month, maybe, $1,000 a month. I would have been able to at least do that through just promoting as an affiliate and through using ClickBank, right? Now, I also ran a fitness business, but the last year I ran campaigns, but I didn't do what I learned here in this program. In this program, there's a lot of advanced techniques from the experts here in this course that I was able to implement myself for my campaigns. If I had learned this and I would have put this into my business, my fitness business, I would have been able to skyrocket. And you guys can do this too. It's very simple. It's very easy to follow. I often just keep the tab open. I just kind of do and follow in the back. It's very simple. It doesn't take too long. It takes like less than an hour a day to launch something that's going to make you a few sales a day, especially if you're doing it the right way, especially for taking the time to learn. And I recommend everybody taking action on it right away, because it's something that's gonna make you a person, become an expert, and this is going to create more abundance in your life. This is going to create more freedom in your life, and this is the stuff that I wanted. So this is stuff that's exciting for me, because when I first started about a week and a half ago or 2 weeks ago here, I launched and I was making sales every day, right? Now, at least a sale every day. Now I've implemented simple strategies that have taken me and launched me into making multiple sales a day, so, which is awesome. This is only the beginning. This is only a few weeks in, and I'm excited for the next few weeks when I'm making 5, 10, 20 sales a day. Now, that's going to be the next stepping grounds. So take action on it right away, guys, because it's something that you're going to learn, something you're going to be able to, help benefit yourself, which you're going to be able to help as many others as you can. Anyways, have a good rest of your day, guys. Take action. Let's go.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Tay Parker. I just wanted to make this video and let you know my success with Done For You service. A little about my background is, if you can think about it, I've tried everything. Successful in some things, not so successful in a lot of things. But for the reason why I first joined this service is I would constantly see Wesley's promotion on my Instagram. I would always see him, I would watch it a few times, and then just go by it. One day I said, hey, what do I have to lose? So I started the program, and I told myself the first thing going through it was just be humble, don't get frustrated, and stay the course. So going through the program, all I simply did was follow the steps they provided. I've watched all the videos. I kept myself poised. I've humbled myself and learning that when in life, nothing comes easy. By following the directions, I won't say there was never any hiccups, but I stood the course. Even though it became hard sometimes or I didn't understand a certain part, I just simply waited, or I asked questions, or I was just humbly patient to see what would happen. And I think through doing those process and figuring out the pixels and figuring out just how to do everything was just simply watching the videos until I understood, or just keep asking the questions until someone answered me, and just staying consistent, which is the ultimate key. Throughout the video, they tell you may not make sales or whatever within your first week. I've made sales within my first week, and all I did was follow the process. A part of anything you have to do in life is just following the process and sticking it through. It's going to get hard, it's going to get tough, it's going to get slow, but if you constantly just follow the process, it will lead you to success.
Hey guys, I hope you're awesome, because I feel awesome to be in this group. Done For You service is absolutely great. Thanks, big thanks to Wesley, Ariella, Parmeet, all the team. This is absolutely incredible. I got my first sales a few days ago, and I'm getting more now because it's most likely an automated system. Then it's very easy. You just have to follow the steps, follow them. If you don't understand something, you just have to ask Parmeet or Ariella, anyway, somebody of the team, and they will help you straight away. Sometimes you can feel that something is not working because you're not getting sales straight away, but we always want things straight away. Guys, we cannot want everything right now. We just have to trust and do what we have to do. Do the steps and meditate. This is the secret, guys. I'm really excited to be in this group and super motivated and super happy. Now I am enjoying my day as every day, because for what I'm seeing, I just quitted my job and I don't want to do my slave job anymore. Even I'm enjoying doing it. I'm a carer, but anyway, I can do that for free if I want. Then, guys, what I want to say is, first of all, believe in yourself. Second, trust the process. Third, enjoy your success.
Years in training group, Done For You service. I just want to say thank you to Ariella, Parmeet, and Wesley. Those guys made an impact on my life. I never thought of making money online until I met those guys. I make money easily and effortlessly every day. $8,000 easily and effortlessly every day. I'm manifesting cars, I'm manifesting everything. I thank you guys for everything you have done for me. It's a future millionaire to make it.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! It's fucking 4 a.m. No sleep, gang. I feel amazing. All praise to the Most High. I got my first sale. I bought my sale, Cherry. Let's go. I feel amazing. All praise to the Most High. All praise to the Most High. I'm so thankful. Thank you, Wesley Virgin, for making this all possible. Thank you, Ariella. And thank you, Parmeet, for being so patient with me. I know I asked a lot of questions. Thank you so much for being here for me. Thank you for all the guidance. Thank you for everybody helping me. Thank you, Malik. Thank you, everybody that put their attention and energy on me, and I appreciate it. Appreciate all the good energy. I'm so grateful. Honey cold outset, here it comes. I can feel it, I can taste it in my bones. Honey cold outset is on the way. Done For You services is lit. Don't sleep. Get on that now. Make everything happen. Create your reality.
Yeah! Wow. I never expected this to be so quick. Oh, praise to the Most High. God is the greatest. I'm so excited today that not less than 3 days after I'm creating my ads and uploaded it, not just more than 3 days, I made my first sales. God, man, You know how I feel about this. I'm just so excited, and kudos to the Done For You service. There are so wonderful people that means over there, and people whenever you need help, you talk to them, they respond to you as soon as possible. I'm so glad I'm a part of this team. Kudos to you all. And thanks, my big bro, Wesley.
Hello everyone, I just want to make this quick video saying that I made my first few sales, which is awesome. I made kind of like a bundle kind of thing. It was like a few days ago, which is amazing, and I want to just do this little quick video saying thank you so much to the team, Ariella, Paramy, Wesley Virgin. You have the best team on earth. Wesley, thank you so much for this multitude of programs that are done for you services. It's definitely helped me transform my life. Guys, be a dreamer of the day. Just go for it. Just take action on these things, and I promise you're going to get something back from it. I promise you're going to get what you want. Therefore, if you seek what you want, right? If you seek and take action on what you want, you'll get it. And so I'm really grateful. I'm really stoked. I'm really excited for this journey. This is just the start of it. Again, guys, be a dreamer of the day. Just go for it, right? Don't lay waste at night and think about problems, right? Get up and imagine and take action and do everything you can. Be dangerous out here. Be dangerous. Do everything you can to get what you want. So I don't want to drag this out. Again, Ariella, the team, thank you guys so much. You're the most super helpful muscle team ever in the world. I've never met a collect group of people with one mind. So thank you so much, guys. Take care. See you later. Wesley, thank you so much. Peace.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hey, Sammy is back. Guess what? I have some great news for all of you. Now, I made my very first sale in the first couple of hours. Won't he do it? Yes, I'm excited. I'm elated. I can't even explain fully because the feeling is so surreal. But yes, he did it. And I would like to extend my gratitude to Team Wesley and the Done For You team in particular. I just want to thank you guys for keeping up with me when I felt frustrated, when I didn't know what to do. You encouraged me, and you know, once I followed those steps, then it was done. The account was established and the sale began to come in. Now, for those of you who are still in that situation, persevere. Persevere. Follow those steps, and once you do, it is guaranteed that you're going to make your first sale. Thank you guys so much. You have been my inspiration. Ariella, Paramy, you have been my tower of strength. Thank you for keeping up with me. And guys, I just want to implore you all, continue to do what you're doing. There is a space at the top for every one of us. Claim yours. I am now a millionaire. Thank you.
Hello, I really want to thank you, Wesley, with the Done For You service and the whole team. It's been really great. I made my first sale and I'm really happy. I'm looking forward to the future, and I'm really excited. Things are coming, more sales. So if you want to join, I would really recommend it. Done For You service, it's absolutely great.
All praise to the Most High. God is the highest. And today, one more time, I get another sale. And this is happening, and I feel great. I feel really good. This is possible just because of the help of that nice group that we have, the Done For Your service. If you're not part of it, just jump right in, because it's the way to go. It's the way to do business. If you need to see sales in your account, I think just jump right in, because the only thing I've done differently than before is just take action. And the action was be part of that nice team, because they're here for us every step of the way. So guys, don't let the time flies by, because now is the time to take action and to see those sales coming in. It feels really great. It feels really good. Thank you, Paramy. Thank you, Ariella. Thank you, Wesley Virgin, for that nice team that you have. One more time, all praise to the Most High. God is the highest. Let's go, guys.
So first and foremost, I want to say all praises to the Most High God. God is the greatest 100%, and that is the truth. I am so grateful every day. Right now, I'm grateful. I want to say thank you for the Done For You services. I want to say thank you to Wesley and his team. I just want you guys to know that if you have not done the Done For You services, you are missing out. You are not taking action, because that is an opportunity that you cannot miss. So definitely just want to say how grateful I am. I actually got my first 5 sales through the Done For You services, and I am so excited, so blessed, and looking forward to so much more. I am expecting so much more. So again, if you haven't done it, you need to do that ASAP. And just again, thank you, Wes. Thank you, team. Everything you did was amazing.
Motivated, dedicated, motivated, dedicated. Hey, Wesley. Shout out to Wesley, $1 billion version. Man, Wesley, $1 billion version. I appreciate your work, man. Thank you for the system you have come up with. I thank you for your hard work that you have worked years to get where you are right now. Appreciate your work and what you're doing for me and other people out there that are still trying to figure out things, you know, figure out how to win, baby. Okay, let me get this straight, people. It's all in here. Check out the Mind Hacks Wesley version has come up with. Check it out, man. It's crazy. Gotta believe the process, baby. Believe the process. It's all in here. It's all in here. We just need someone that's already done it. Show us the way. And you know what? This guy right here, he's transparent, man. He's crazy. This millionaire right here, $1 billion version, he's transparent, guys. Never seen a millionaire like him. Never seen a millionaire like him. So why not follow a person like this, bro? I mean, look at this. For all the haters out there that don't believe what Wesley $1 billion virgin is preaching, that don't believe it's real, let me show you, man. Let me show you. Hold up. Look at that. You see it? That's my sale, baby. That's my sales. Tuesday, Monday, Sunday. That's all from Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, now Tuesday. That's all my sales, baby. Got nothing to lose. Gotta believe the process. If you're having obstacles, my mentor said, my man Wesley $1 billion version says, you're just going through phases, baby. You're going through phases, baby. Believe the process. Don't let no obstacle stop you from getting to where you want to go. Alright? Okay, people? Hey, much love, Wesley. $1 billion version. People out there, don't let nobody, not even Wesley, the $1 billion, the millionaire. That's what he said. Don't let nobody tell you what you want. Okay? Much love. Shout out to your team that's behind this, behind the course, the Millionaire in Training, Done For You service. Much love to all you. Pami, Ariola, Paras, appreciate you all of all the hard work. Even though there's a lot of people giving you questions, and we still get what we want. So much love. Thank you very much. My name is Tui Faunga. Later. Bang.
All right, 1 month later, I made my first sale. It was on Friday. I just checked everything today, and it was awesome. I really tried to, stay in that moment and get familiar with that feeling, because it's a good one. Once you make your first sale, it feels like it's all possible. So thank you, Wesley, Ariella, Parmi, Sean, everybody who looked at my stuff, everybody who's helping, each other in this group. Thank you. It's so cool to just be a part of something like this, where you just log in and everyone's helping each other, everyone's on the same team, everyone wants each other to win, and God, it's such a blessing. It couldn't have happened at a better time in my life personally. So I'm so grateful, and it's the first of many, and I'm looking forward to keep this thing rolling. Let's go.
Hi, all praise to the Most High. God is the greatest. Hey, I'm making this video now to give my testimonial on Wesley, $1 billion virgin. Hey, it's been like 10 years now. I've been searching for a good product. Okay, I've been searching for someone to really follow, and it's been tough, it's been hard, but just coming across Wesley has really changed my life. It has really given me put purpose into my life, so I'm very grateful. I'm very thankful. Thank you, Wesley. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'm here in my studio right now, just those mind hacks, have actually changed, the way I think. I'm seeing a lot more revenues, even, coming my way, in the studio. But other than that, I'm working to get, with Wesley, and, following his, following the things he says to do, and I promise you, I'm telling you, this guy is the real deal. He is. Okay, I've listened to a lot of other people. I've done a lot of other stuff, but I've never seen anything, or anyone, like this guy. All right, hey, go ahead and get it. Just go right ahead and purchase. Okay, get Wesley Virgin product. All right, I don't know, whatever you gotta do, make it happen. But I'm telling you, you would not be disappointed. You will not. I am satisfied, and you know what? I'm continue listening to Wesley. I'm gonna continue following him.
Great afternoon, MIT. I just want to share my experience with the Millionaires in Training group. It's helping me out. It's working. It is working. Whoever's not in this group, they're missing out. But y'all in this group, y'all know it's working. If you actually are active and you listen to the videos and you stay active in this group, you know that it's working. You know that it's working. It's been working for me. It's helped me change my mindset. It's helped me to attract things that before that it was just a wish, but now it's here. It's helping me attract things. This MIT group is it's powerful. It's the best group on the planet. And for $47 a month, that's crazy. For the value that it gives, that Wesley gives us, it's helping me out as a person. It's helping me to better my mindset, and Wesley has taught me that changing my mindset is what's going to change me, and I realize that now. I mean, back when I was visualizing going to Houston, Texas, when I had $20-something in my bank account. I was just visualizing it. I was believing it. I was seeing it in advance. But now I got the VIP tickets, and my hotel room is $897 for two because I waited too late. But I have that money because I've attracted that money. Before I was broke, February 23rd, I had $28 in my bank account. But now I'm making money. Forex trading, I made $430 trading the US 30. I made $430 in like 37 minutes. I mean, it's getting easy because I'm seeing it in advance. I'm using my mindset to get the things I desire in life. I created a Shopify store, about to run traffic to that. It's all set. I have all my pages, my products, about 50 to 70, about 60 something products on there. It's just this group. I wouldn't be anywhere without this group. This group is phenomenal. It's the best group on the planet. Let's go. I'm ready for Houston, Texas. I visualized it, I manifested it, and now in 12 days, I'm gonna be in Houston, Texas at the Marriott Marquis, meeting Ariella, meeting Wesley Virgin, meeting y'all in this group. I visualized it, and now it's here. I mean, that's just crazy. I visualized it, I used my mind, and now it's my reality. It's my reality. So it's just this MIT group is helping me out. I hope it's helping y'all out. I've had a great time in it, and I'm gonna be in it for a long time from now, because it's only gonna get better from here. I'm so grateful. All praises to the Most High. God is the greatest. Y'all get to work.
Hey, what's up? What's up? My name is Joshua Charles. I'm from Montreal, Canada. This video is for anyone who wants to try out the MIT family, the millionaire group. So I've been there for about 3 or 4 months, and I really recommend it. It changed my life for the better. Until I met Wesley, I've been able to like transcend my life. Like it's incalculable. You'll be able also to learn a lot of mindset, a lot of tricks that Wesley showed us, he told us about, and he also helped us to help us in the business, the mindset too. Mindset is very important. So yeah, you just have to believe in yourself and go get it, man. It's a cheap price. It's a cheap price, and it's really worth it, man. It's the first time in my life that I've really been able to be by a millionaire's side, Wesley Virgin, and for that long. So it's really an opportunity that you need to take. Thank you.
Wes, hey look, I just got done meditating here at the beach, leaving the beach, Santa Monica Beach in Los Angeles, baby. Wrapped up a little, played a little beach volleyball, got my heart rate up, and then did some meditating. And I just want to say thanks, Wes, because after I wrapped up that meditation, I just sat there and I was overwhelmed with gratitude about how much things have changed in my life in the past year since joining the Millionaire in Training Inner Circle. And it was crazy because you know, when I joined the group, it was really because I liked you. You know, I'd already been around information like The Secret and information marketing, or just all the information you provide in the group. But within 2 months of joining the group, it's actually been 13 months today. It's funny, within 2 months after I joined, I quit my job flat broke, and man, I had to rebuild. I had to pick up the pieces. You know, I was in a job that I really didn't like, living in a place I didn't like, in an apartment building I didn't like. And I quit my job, didn't renew my lease. It was crazy. I had to live in hotels, man, and on my boys' couches to figure it out less than a year ago. I look back on the year, you can see right now, right? I'm at the beach just watching the sunset. You know, just a year ago when I bought this program, I had to do it with a credit card. I was 12 grand in debt, personal credit card debt. Now, I've got multiple debit cards and credit cards, and I pay my balances off at the end of the month, right? Like a wealthy person would do. Spend money that you have, don't get into debt. But I'm so grateful for this. A year ago, I was in a job I didn't like. Now I work for millionaires and billionaires at a private golf course in the Bel Air Hills. Call me Fresh Prince. Doing golf contract work. It's amazing. And even though those physical things are nice and they do bring peace of mind, in the last year I've been able to forgive myself for so many things that I may have or hadn't done wrong in my 20s, and just be grateful and change my story. I'm a lot more confident. I'm feeling a lot more strong. And more importantly, since I've had that calmness, I've got peace and vision. Like, I could really see moving into year 2 of being a part of this group, how I'm about to have some massive changes. I already have. I don't live in Illinois anymore. I live in Brentwood or Westwood, California, right? I don't work at the car sales lot anymore. I've actually took that income to another level, working 1/3 of the time. Hey, Wes, thank you. Wesley, thank you for this group.
and the content that you put in it to change my life. But I'm telling you, without action, see, I was broke living in a hotel. I had to take action. I had to do something, and it all started with the things that Wes is teaching, man. This gratefulness as you embark upon that journey of picking up the pieces. Much love, Jerome, Manifestation Master Henderson. I'm gone, baby. I'm about to watch this sunset. Just a year ago, man, I would have had on pants in Chicago.
Hey, Josh Hall here, and I just want to send a huge shout out to my boy Wesley $1 Billion Virgin, because his content and products have helped me change my life in numerous ways, and not just my life, but my bank account. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see this here, but take a look at that. That's $185,693.11 in sales from one product. And it's because of my mindset, and I couldn't have done that without the content and knowledge that Wesley $1 Billion Virgin has shared with me. So I urge you to take advantage of his products, get in and learn from this man, because he knows what he's talking about. And it really is in the mindset, and it's in the implementation of the things that get you the correct mindset as well. So once again, he's really helped me change my life and my bank account in a serious way. And I can't thank him enough. And you need to take advantage of whatever he has to offer. Let him help you. Take it easy.
Hi, how's everybody doing today? I just wanted to get on here real quick and talk to you guys about the Done For You services. I got my first sales this past week, got 6 sales using the Done For You services, thanks to Wesley. Big shout out to him and to his team. They're absolutely fantastic. I don't know what I would have done if I had not signed up for that program. Definitely not a computer person or familiar at all with affiliate marketing. Would not even have known where to start. Clueless when it comes to what pixels are, how to even set up an ad, or where to even start when it comes to Facebook and placing things. Wouldn't even have known what to do. Great program. They are the best. Available 24/7. You can reach out to them, talk to them. They respond quickly. They have a great group, just with the other members alone. Great MIT family. Love you guys. And the meditation that they teach you, the other trainings that are available, the readings are fantastic as well. Change your mind frame altogether just to get you to see things differently. That has been phenomenal. I mean, even my children have been hearing it and following along with me, and sometimes if I start to get upset over something, they'll stop me and catch me and tell me, Mom, take a breath now, close your eyes, because I've been playing the training so much, and it's just great to see that even they are listening into these things and following along and catching on to them. And it's all thanks to Wesley. So it's not only helping me, it's helping my family as well. So Done For You services is a great service. If you haven't signed up for it already, I highly recommend that you do. You definitely will not regret it. So many blessings to everybody, and hope to see you guys in our group soon. Thanks so much.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is Carlos Navarrete. I'm from Mexico City, and I just want to say thank you to Ariella, to Wesley, and to Permit because of the Done For You services. I have paid a lot of courses, a lot of coaches, and I haven't seen anything like Done For You services. It was extremely easy. I just followed the steps they gave me. Ariella and for me, they were always there for me to help me in the inbox, even on phone calls. And I just got my first sale in less than a week. I'm very grateful. Just to say, it is possible. It's possible for us, especially if you're a completely newbie like me to internet marketing. And you just have to follow the steps and have faith and always believe you can. And that's it. Let's go.
today I made my first sale in less than 24 hours. I've been doing the video view for 2-3 days now, and I changed it last night by 6-7 o'clock to the conversion ads, and this morning noontime here in Costa Rica I had already my first sale. And this is amazing, this is unbelievable, because I've tried so many things over the internet, and it's the first time after so many years that I could really have something real. I know in that group, and we've been talking about mindset, we've been talking about change, but to be honest with you, I don't believe 100%, because so many things that happened to me before, so I couldn't really trust that those things are real. But let me tell you something, guys. This morning I can't tell you those things are real. I've been doing my meditation every day, 2 times a day, and I've been trying to manifest whatever I want. And what happened this morning, it's one of the things that I manifest. And it happened, and if it can happen to me, it can happen to anybody. If I can do that, anyone else can do it. So it's the reason why I want to thank one more time to all those people, Palmer, to Wesley Virgin, to Ariella, and let's tell you, every one of you, if you're not in that group yet, let's just try it, because the done for you really work, and it works for everybody. Let's go.
Hey guys, how you guys doing? This Phil here checking in. I just want to thank the awesome team of Wesley and the Millionaire team. Thank you, man. Thank you. You told me to never give up, man, and I just want to say thank you guys for my first sale and the done for you service. Hey, you guys need to get it. I'm telling you, it's totally worth it. Totally worth it.
Hey Wesley, how are you? Sorry. Good evening, good evening, good evening. I want to talk about MIT group. It gave me so much. It changed my mindset. Now I do my own product. I start to work on my own product. But look, it's if somebody sees I'm still in this group, you know, not for something, because it's give me so much. Wesley give me so much. He give me too much information, too much value. I love him. I love this group, and this is my fam. MIT, I love you everybody. Wes, see my last video. You need to see this. Whew. I'm so happy. I'm grateful. All the praise to the most. I got it greatest. Thank you, everyone. And later.
Yo, it's Oshaman. Back at it again with your self-affirmation challenge, day 12. I know you've been slacking a little bit, but you know, you always bounce back, man. You know, life happens, bro. And like, when life happens, you know, you always get right back up. Shaman, like, your music is great. You know, you are destined for great things. You know, you attract abundance in your life so easily. Shaman, like, the music you make and the TV shows you're gonna make, all that, it's gonna touch so many people. And, you know, you're always motivated. You know, this is the shit that excites you, and people see that. People can relate to your struggles, and you know, people want to hear you, hear your music. People want to have you around, man. And yeah, I love you, Shaman. You know, things are gonna be looking up, man. And just keep pushing, dog.
My name is George Liz. I'm a former motorcycle racer and a pioneer in the life coaching industry. I've also been the coach of many motorcycle racers. I'm here to endorse and promote my friend, coach and mentor Wesley Virgin, because I've worked with many coaches throughout my life. I've been very fortunate to do that. I even became a platinum partner with Anthony Robbins and traveled with him to many of his seminars. And as great as that was, my experience with Wesley Virgin, He's the closest coach I've ever had. He really cares. He's really into you. His programs are fantastic. He really works on the mindset, and I think it's worth checking him out. I'm really wanting to endorse him because when he came into my life like a couple months ago, I was kind of stuck in a tough spot, and a month later I was already making videos again, and my first video in 2 weeks hit more than 500,000 views, and my first 4 videos are hitting more than 1 million views on Facebook. And I really owe him a lot. I think he's a really good coach. He has great programs, and I encourage you to check him out. And I hope you do. Take care.
Good day, everyone. I'm Joe Michi. I want to give a quick testimony on my mentor, Wesley Virgin. Man, before I met Wesley Virgin, I was working as a civil engineer. Currently am working as a civil engineer. I just graduated college. You know how it is for a college student. You know, you have a lot of student loans, a lot of debt. But pretty much I persevered. I met Wesley. Pretty much I was scrolling on Instagram, right? Instagram feeds. I checked them out, did my due diligence. Like, let me see who this guy is. There's a lot of scams out there on the internet, so I was very skeptical at first. I'm not gonna lie to you. You know how family and friends, they always try to influence you on your decisions, but in life sometimes you just gotta go with that gut feeling and listen to God and the universe what it's telling you. So anyway, long story short, I Googled him. I followed him for a while. Man, this guy, he gives so much like advice on just, not even just how to make money, but just like the mindset, you know, meditation, manifestation. So anyway, fast forward to now, I've been pretty much following him for about, today, I'll say about a good 2 years now, consistently. And I've seen a lot of changes. Now I'm up to about a couple $1,000s a month. You know, that helps a lot. Every dollar counts, and it's growing. And I'm on my way to be a full-time entrepreneur. So I'm very grateful and thankful for him, and all praises to the Most High. I highly suggest all y'all to take action and make it happen.
Hello, my name is Jacob, and I'm just want to give a shout out to Wesley Virgin because he changed my life forever, and I am just overwhelmed with gratitude. I started at working at Pepsi. I was working at a Pepsi plantation, and I was working at least 12 hours a day. It was actually one shift that we worked like 18 or 20 hours. I don't know, but that was ridiculous. I was making money, but I wasn't happy. And then, of course, I wanted a job that makes me happy. So I decided to move to Colorado, and I was living the ski bum life. And it was an experience. It was an experience. So it was fun and all, but it wasn't the lifestyle that I wanted to live. I wanted to make money easily and effortlessly. So one day I stumbled upon Wesley on the internet, and he changed my life forever. I took action, I took action, and next thing I know, I'm making $5,000 a month, and now I'm about to get my own apartment, and I'm financially free at the age of 21. This could not be possible without you, Wesley. So, salute to you, my friend, because you changed my life forever. Thank you for showing us the way out, and if you're listening to this video, he is the way out. Listen to him, because he is the truth. Thank you.